there with the box. I do what this.
So when I fight for?
If I tell him come here, come over me. Suppose to make up to the hospital.
No, because the captain for
That we belong to. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of
Tell us something, girlfriend.
What's up, AC gang? Your boy Capo is back again. And guys, right now I see a prank of me. I be just pull upon our family. Mostly I never know people. So everybody gone. I be saying, no what? I try to prank our nephew. Pretend like we are fight. So yeah, it go great people. So make sure you just spam the comment section with Team Capo, Team Abby, AC gang, and just comment on the like about the video. And make sure say if you actually subscribe already, turn on the notification bell and select all. So when we post a video, when you get notified same time, people. Make sure you follow up on Instagram down below. Make sure you subscribe to Abby and Capo Comedy TV. Also subscribe to Abby's Madness and subscribe to Capo's TV. This prank is a wicked prank. So want to just go watch it right now. No further talking. We'll go right into the video.
Okay, get started. Come out!
My friend, how am you doing?
Since I have a phone too much, that want your phone. Go on, come on, I don't want you in here. I don't want you in here since you have a phone so much. Go on.
You need more, bro?
Go on. Go on. Since I have a phone so much. Go on. Go on.
I heard.
Go on.
So great, man.
Since I have a
My
phone.
friend, how am you?
Come out!
I'm not come out now.
Since I have a phone too much. Damn crashes, yeah? Tired of you. Forget.
Yo, Abby.
Idiot. Fucking idiot.
Abby, you wanna fight for?
Stop.
Yo! Abby!
Yo, how am you?
Yeah!
Idiot.
No, shut up, here, boy.
Idiot.
I want to know, brother.
Come on. I'm serious. Come on. Come on, careful.
What make a part them for?
Yo.
Capo! Bina.
Yeah, you got brother.
So what you gonna do to her now?
We got the girl stop me, brother. Yo, let me here.
So wait.
Let me here now.
We know. I can't know about that.
What's me now?
Yo, Capo, Bill.
Bill up, brother.
Bill, dog. The Scarlet Daddy, dog.
Like I see those shoes, brother.
Come on.
My friend, how am you?
Come on.
Stop telling me now.
Capo, Bill, dog. Let's go.
Maka kill me no, brother.
Easy, dog.
Yeah, crap down here too. I need a laughing thing with it. We see that they do all of it.
Stop touching me, serious. Stop touching me. Stop fucking touching me, idiot boy. Like that. Stop. Fucking me, yeah, idiot. That's why you got some more.
Yeah. Papa na pick.
Apa tu yang dia tak nampak ada mana kau ni.
Mana apa ni, brother? Mana?
Boleh ni bawa dia.
Mana apa ni, mai sang.
Mana?
Mana angin kali.
You're not fitting with my girl. You are one of the people, aren't you?
I don't want you in here.
Why?
I don't want you in here.
Mommy.
Okay. You're serious now. Can you relax? That should be like so done.
Don't want you in here.
You're laughing to me.
Come on, leave me alone.
Look here. You can't believe this, sir.
video call.
Boy, don't worry in here.
Look on them.
Don't worry in here. Don't worry in here.
Don't close my look at me.
Don't worry in here.
See, 7 number for all I go.
Don't worry in here. Don't worry in here. And if I touch me, I give me a stab, you know. Don't worry in here. But don't worry in here.
Bill, Chopper, Bill. What's bloody part of the mouth?
Give me a hand, baby.
Papa. Mommy, up and go for the horse. Up and go for the horse. Look at the
Yo, papa, the mother, brother. Come, we can't take phone train, brother.
You need to up and go for the horse.
Mr. Bear, stop.
You don't
Chopper,
tell me.
Chopper, slow and Chopper.
You done it already.
Stop. Stop.
And see, I never say the girl stop again, man. Slow the girl, dog.
Oh, it's not. Yep.
Come like that, either.
Stop.
Chopper. Boom. Yeah, he might get that, might get deaf, Chopper, dog.
Bro, you make it. Leave me alone, you tell you.
Don't
Don't tell you.
Come on.
But, Chopper, dog, easy, Chopper, dog.
Brother, I'm easy, brother.
Easy, dog. Just slow the
Come
girl.
take her out of the room then.
My easy, my dog. I swear to my easy, brother. Don't run for my dog, it's easy, dog. The girl step low alone with your chubby girl again, brother.
Come defend them, brother.
Dog, like that.
Don't put on no sense, man.
Man, you like dog, you put it in a round, so you don't worry.
Man, go on, hey, brother. Pick up in the eyes of you. We don't have the same thing. Just show me clothes up on the ground, brother.
But don't worry in here.
I'm should have killed man, brother.
Listen,
Don't worry in here. Don't worry in here.
Watch it.
Come on, don't
Watch it.
worry in here.
Watch it, brother. You're not doing anything, you know, you.
Just walk out and leave her when you walk with the girl, brother.
Don't worry in here. Come on.
That you come try, boy. You're a fool, man.
Don't worry in here. Let's go that way. I don't worry in here. Don't worry in here. Come on, come out. Come out. I do not want you in here. Come out. I'm serious. You want to know what I'm out. Don't worry in here.
You're telling me one more kind of come match up with me now, bitch.
Are you coming here? Come chat with me. I'm here in here. Pull up. Come and bother me. Alright. Don't worry in here. Do not worry in here.
You know,
If I trouble me, I can understand you. Trouble me, I can understand you. Don't worry in here.
So we keep on showing
But do not worry in here. Come out.
You know, I'm swimming on the ground.
Come out. But don't worry in here. Yeah, fucking classes.
How are this, man?
Come on. But don't worry in here. Just come on. That way I come take him up pretty right hands. And I'm going to stab him again.
I know I'm going to take him out, dog. Man, just come and slow the girl in the room, man. Because I don't know where you come in and come prove with the man.
Yo, if you now go speak justice, brother, and say nothing at all, brother.
Wait, move it.
Man, man, I'm speak. Brother, you just...
Say the fan from her, brother.
But the girl step low alone. That's the girl step again now, because the girl step low alone, brother. You're not here,
You
dog.
have nothing about it, brother.
Man, that's what the girl in her room. I feel her room, you forgot.
Don't worry in here.
That's it. Yo, imagine you're stop showing my room.
That way I come take him up pretty right hands.
The two women from the room, I attack you again, you know.
So I can stab you, yeah?
That me I tell
I
you.
can stab you.
Don't chill on my ground. Don't talk to you.
Stop ramping.
So let me hold your clothes, then, brother.
Stop ramping.
Man, make the girl...
ramping.
If the girl stab you again, no, man. Nah, defend you. Alright? Pussy, you get stopped.
Imagine, no, let go this man.
They got fine. We don't want you in here.
You stab me.
Ah, bomba!
Okay.
You see me I show you, man?
Don't
What?
want you in here.
So you stab you again?
Don't want you in here.
Man, just load the girl. Man, you're sick. Man, I treat the girls that we know you still around for the girl. Just give me clothes.
No, brother.
My father, man, look at you. My father. Father, my.
I mean, I'm found my youth. I'm here, brother.
Yeah,
You're not feeling love this, brother.
You know, for them, brother, come here. I try to help you up, man. You don't want help. If you don't want help, what am I going to do? Let me see about my head.
What do you do?
Tell me, do not want it in here. The door wire in here.
I mean, I think I'll use more lens. I know, yeah.
Door wire in here.
Yo, my friend. Yeah! One thing, man.
Come on. Keep on, do not want it. Come on, stop troubling me, see.
Damn right.
Stop troubling me.
Listen, make sure that.
Fuck me down, Junior.
Look at brother. You fucking man. I'm not showing you. You never touch her.
Come on, tell she just found the man. You call me and call the dog. With the girl stop here. Mumbo clap. You can just found the brother. I'm check look for your chest, man.
Dog.
Stop with that. Make it. Abby. Come on.
No, I take the ball.
Come on, forward. Let's forward
Like,
now.
every minute
Forward, dog. I can't make the girl do it, so better forward, dog.
No, brother.
Sick and
Man,
tired.
stop calling my
Sick
youth.
and tired of
Oh,
this
Tell me
stuff.
close. Me never
Tell me
mind.
what
Forward,
you
dog.
want.
Tell me
Come on,
close,
come
brother.
on, come on, come on, come on.
I'm back, daddy. Come and talk to me there.
Forward, dog. Forward. I tell you, look. It's a long time. Forward, dog. I'm moving it to my first.
Come out.
Oh, Kevin.
Come on.
But one thing I do, brother. One thing I do, brother. One time I come out. Now I come out of this time, brother.
What's going on?
Yo, move it, pop.
Come on, man.
Shit, yo, my friend, don't come near me, though. Just come sit down to me, Daniel.
Come out. Oliver, come
That
out.
me I do.
Sit
Nah,
and
come back
tell
here,
you,
Daniel. Me I tell you, yeah? You see what I mean? Yeah, take it down, bro.
I don't forget, I don't get their food.
You close them, man.
Oliver, come out. You serious?
You know, you talk about being a serious time. I'm like this thing.
Wait, what do you think I put up on video? Serious or not? Don't go for the camera.
Don't touch my bag. Why you touch my bag for?
Shut your chest, yo.
Me I tell you, say a serious thing, man. Man,
Yo, I'm Tony now.
man, video game outside. I got you up this.
I'm Tony.
One two, man.
Remember them video everything?
Shut
How
your
much time
chest.
you forget that, man?
I'm play careful.
You think me there and joke? Man,
What
think
you?
that joke me there and joke. How much time man just have to man chest, brother?
Hey, if you just bring him out.
You know, so I'm
Hey,
coming.
wait,
One
wait,
man chest,
come
brother.
out.
Just having for Abby.
You think
Guys,
that
wait,
you think that joke me there and man think that joke me there and the back. I joke this.
Yeah, go to my hand, go to my ears.
So when I fight for?
Even if come here, come back me.
Supposed to make couple of the hospital. I
But
begin.
don't be easy, I'm telling for love me, I don't ask me, I'm telling for, but be ready for that.
I can't. That Papa carry him go to the hospital. Yeah.
Get my life, brother.
Look at the camera in the room first.
Put look man around on the girl to get to the next level, dog.
Look at the camera I know it first.
Cause this can, a real blood.
Man, I know.
I check them, I check way.
Look in the camera I first, that thing. I mean, I'm
Chicken and put and I show them election.
And a real blood that.
Look in the camera I in the road first. I mean, I'm far for the road. Never scissors. Bombard. I'm better than nobody else.
It's not real blood. Keep on not believe me. I check them, I check way now.
Me there hurt me, dog.
It is starting to say better right here.
Alarm
Period.
Go see scissors.
That's looking for the people. They can't fool me.
They not fool me today too.
Sir.
Are you done?
Nobody now take on the shit serious.
You don't believe that joke every time come on see blood back your shoes. All of a sudden blood is appears. What me say me nah go over this thing.
Look at people look too thin.
Watch you know. Ah, step on come like that's right. Man pass this come me tell you if you want I mean you chop big box.
What thing I'm telling you. So when you in there and then sorry fool me. I'm look down here. Thing with a joke here.
Ah, that's why when I keep on killing me.
If you never lick him, chop him up. You feel like a dead chick, brother. If you never lick him, chop him up, brother. Come here, say all of this fine in a deal. Yeah, I'm not alone.
Vomit. What's your head on color? What are it?
I go on like you say Kappa kill for real. Me not gonna take it serious, yeah. Come here, chop. Is it? It see prank gone wrong. So we come chop up Kappa head from my hand to the box side. And mama run joke with me head too. Alright.
That might take long for forward though.
Every day, every day.
That's why you come over. That's why I'm kept on in there and kill me.
Come now, Kappa chop. Now, Kappa chop Kappa. You bring that jail at night. Me take my prank like a man.
Wait, fine. Wait, did it?
So you never stop kept on killing him. You got to
Nothing to do with me. You stop me, you face the consequences. You ever chop your pass seriously, you know? Come like a chat the man for real now. Yeah, Shaq, took it on that. Shaq thinks the cap that's how I mean. Right, Shaq?
You get prank in know.
Yeah? I'm going to say, yes, you should do my brother. Yes, you should do me. Come feature. Yes, you should do my brother. See me, I'm going to win. You should do my brother. That's the mascot. I said, I got to chill. See me? Yes, you should do my brother.
Oh, you're gonna send that one there. Come on, you can't tell me to the camera first.
You can't put no love run, Papa, no. Skip against the body on the ground, I'm still going to reach them and come. Skip against the body. You just stop me, I say yes, come. Skip still want to turn back to fight the girl. You must come to the chair and tap, but she dead. Jesus Christ, you man dead. Hey, no, my brother, I can't help it.
Yes, guys, so if you enjoy the prank there, want to spam the comment section.
Nah, like, she prank
AC
about-
gang. Cause them boy get prank wicked.
Me I say team Adi and Capo for that now.
Yeah,
I'm
guys.
get prank, but watch you know.
It was the main target.
you know?
Yeah.
You see me the chop Capo for real now.
Yeah.
Them that say prank gone wrong.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that never happened.
Yeah. Until then.
AC gang is